if you are tired of the marriage, why don't you just dissolve the whole thing and walk away and say it's irreconcilable differences rather than silent treatment? Anyway, viewers and subscribers, welcome back to BVI channel 1 Plus. I'm your girl Bella. On this episode of Palava, Frank Edoho is still trending because he said in an interview that the best punishment he can give to his wife is silent treatment, that he will be there talking with the children, doing all, talking with his kids, and the woman will be dying silently. That's what he said. Anyway, take a look at this video.
Is Malice. I can stay in the same house with you, I'll not talk to you. If you cross the line, my wife knows now, I am the king of Malice. I'll not talk to you. I will be whistling with my children. Oh, I love you. I'll be doing all those things. I say, okay, daddy's gonna, what do you want me to buy for you? I'll go out, come back late. That is the beating that suffices physical ones. Why are you going to beat a woman, then what? I don't do that. So anybody that says from any corner, crack or crevice that brings out the proposition that I beat women, so the person is a big fool. The best punishment I can.
So you've heard it firsthand with Frank now. You say it's better for him, that it's better to give somebody silent treatment, be busy with your kids, be talking with them, and leave your partner. The person will be dying slowly just to get at the person. At the end of the day, it's just to get at the person. Just to get at the person, just to annoy the partner. Let me tell you, if you're tired of your marriage, if you're tired of your partner, because dissolve your relationship with the person. Even if I will not be possible, call it an open marriage, because you can't be torturing somebody emotionally. Most times people that feel that they give silent treatment, and stretch it for months, for days in the same house. You can imagine, okay, for example, you now give somebody that is only the two of you in a day house, going to give each other silent treatment. First of all, it shows that it shows that the person is not matured. Because if you're a mature person, you bring out the issue of whatever it is that is going on between the both of you. You iron it out and talk about it. Communication is very important, whether to friends, communication is important in a marriage, in a relationship, because once there is no communication, once they need a talk, because you can't just be, you're not in prison, day prison, you can't just be talking with your partner. You're not talking with the person, you know the vibe, you just be watching television, pressing your phone, and you come and claim that you guys are happy. You are not happy, you're miserable. Thirdly, for silent treatment to stretch, that much. Some people will enablers, they will do something, and on top of it, come they give person silent treatment. Enablers, you do something from the get-go. Before this whole thing started, they say the woman now walked away because the husband was cheating so much that she couldn't take it. She had to chike the guy. Because people are now saying, Nigerians are now saying that chike is now the boo of the booeless. Chike is now the boo, like it attracts women where their husbands are cheating on, and the men will be like, okay, I can't be eating one soup now, I can't be eating only egusi, and your wife is okay to eat egusi. Okay, in as much as everything they say man and woman will be the same thing, because gege day when he day, they say it's better to give a woman silent treatment. See, let me tell you, if your papa and your mama they block themselves, you don't have to continue the cycle. This cycle has to end. It needs to end with you. All this rubbish, it needs to end. See, do you know all those people that, if you say people they quarrel in their house, but when they quarrel, they make up and move on and forge ahead. Treatments. I'll still come and tell you what I want to tell you. That shows maturity. That shows that how can you kill days? Oh God, you are bringing yourself down now. Make una know they do silent treatment now. You love yourself enough to tell yourself, I respect myself enough. I don't need to come that low. Some characters, some things so for don't do is stooping low to some people's level. Do you know most people never silent treatment? Those women that are in the market, no offense to the women in the market selling pepper, but in the quest to pepper your partner. So in the quest to pepper your partner, you start ignoring the person. They talk to the person like you guys will not be talking for months. For months, they talk to your partner. Not somewhere, guy man. If you didn't respect, una just they bring yourself down because of quarrel. you dey reduce your wetin, you dey bring your chairmanship down, abi your madamhood down. Say wetin happen, you want to pepper somebody. It's not as if, I will not say that now. Sometimes person no go push you to the wall, you ignore the person, but that does not mean that you stretch it in the quest of to pepper somebody. You want to just pepper the person. Okay, you know they pepper the person. You are making the person go out more, because you, when they give silent treatment, you go want they talk to the person. The person where you go they give the silent treatment still want to be talking to the person. Now so all of una go rush go outside. See now their marriage, it don't come out. It be like say breeze blow, fire yash open. The guy, the women that he's cheating with, the man, out of everybody, Chike way they sing. So all these love songs we're actually inspired by a not married woman. But what do you expect? Women the vulnerable. So if you are giving your wife silent treatment, as my person, see, I'm telling you, okay, you need to stop. But you know, find a way around, find something that works for you. But this silent treatment, other work, rather it hurts them more. That's my own take for you. However you feel about this video, please leave your comments on the comment section. I'm your girl, Palava, you know they finish. If you're my regular watcher, thank you for being here. If you're not a regular person, please, you know what to do. Subscribe, because we discuss everything relationship. So if you're not a regular person, they need to pay to subscribe, turn on your notification bell to know whenever I post. Because Palava, you know they finish. We are trying to make a world a better place. I'm your girl, Bella.